Bryan here, Bronco Equipment, introducing the Venieri 10.33C Backhoe loader. This is an all-wheel steer. We've got attached the HitchDoc HDS 7100 snowblower attached. I'm gonna hop up here. This one's equipped with the full electronics. We're gonna go ahead and start the machine up. We hit OK to activate everything. Go out in the snowstorm. Now, we don't have a whole lot of snow right now, it's still coming down. Got our backhoe in work mode. We're going to switch it down to first gear. I've got speed reduction here. We got our throttle control here. Continuous flow lever. We're going to go ahead and activate the snowblower. It's going to show all your readings. I'm going to dial it up for our fan speed. We got green lights. Going to show our chute movement. This does our angle. I'm going to activate ride control. Let that boom settle. I'm going to reduce my speed. Put it in forward. So we control our speed, 0.9 mile an hour, 1 mile an hour, RPMs at full max. Like I said, not a whole lot of snow, so we can increase our speed. .9 mile an hour, 2 mile an hour. Everything's still in the green. Pretty simple. Go in reverse and see how we did. As you can see, does a pretty clean job. Again, going to increase my speed, lower my boom. Now we're going to run at 2.3 mile an hour. Increase more. 3 mile an hour. Still keeping a job, keeping it clean. Looks like we got maybe an inch and a half of snow right now. Neutral. Pull my handle back, but then you disengage. Pretty simple process.